Morning, guys. I really hope today is a fun day for you. You guys have worked so hard on your how-to presentations, and today you just get to enjoy them. So click here. You don't have to watch all of them. I know there's a ton, but you do need to look through or watch at least 5 presentations and comment on 5 of them. Okay, so just something positive, some kind of feedback to at least 5. Remember, nothing negative, nothing critical. It's not your job to judge them. You are just coming on to enjoy. So watch at least 5. You're welcome to watch them all if you want to. Keep in mind, there are a handful that are not going to be on here. There's some videos that we couldn't figure out how to post to the student's account. So if you come to Hangouts today, I've got 4 or 5 presentations that I am going to share with you from students that have sent them to me. So at 9 and 1, hop on. We'll spend the first few minutes watching those presentations. So if one of those are yours, you might hop on so that you can see your presentation being shown. Even if you did not get yours posted, you do need to log on and post to 5 that are on Google Classroom. We are going to do one other thing today, and it's really not any work. You are going to make a choice for your next writing assignment. So the next writing assignment that we're going to do is you're going to write a paragraph about your favorite 5th grade memory. So you need to pick one thing from 5th grade that you thought was something fun, one of your favorite memories. It can be absolutely anything. Maybe it was something that we did in Fab or something that happened in the classroom. It can be something silly. Anything. Pick whatever favorite 5th grade memory, and then you are going to write a short paragraph about it. Now, the trick is only one person can write about each event. So if my favorite was Fab Bingo and I get on and I choose Fab Bingo, nobody else can choose Fab Bingo. Okay. If you're struggling to think of something, we will be brainstorming. That's the other thing we're going to do today during Hangouts is brainstorm some ideas. So if you're not sure what you want to write about, oops, there's our Hangouts. Come to Hangouts and we will help you. But this is where you're going to go to make your pick. So you'll find your name over here on the left. And then you'll write your memory. Don't write your paragraph. If Christian wants to write about Fab Bingo, he can write Fab Bingo. And that's it. You don't need to do any writing today. We're not even going to get started on the paper. I just want you to start thinking and brainstorming about your favorite event. One other thing that I wanted to show you today. I learned something new yesterday. You guys are learning new things, so am I. And I'm really excited about it because you know how ridiculously organized I am. Google Classroom is going to look a little bit different. So I took away all of the assignments from our stream. So if you go to our stream, it will only be our slideshows. So if this is the easiest for you, this is where I always want you to start. And this hopefully will keep it a little bit cleaner for you. So you'll click here, it will still take you right to this slideshow, and this is where you will work from. However, at the end of the week, if you want to click on classwork, I have classwork organized based on weeks now. So at the end of this week, you can come here. These 3 things need to be turned in. Okay, and anything else. I'll continue to add throughout the weeks. But make sure that at the end of the week, you have everything turned in for that week. This is going to be a really easy way. All of our assignments so far are listed here. So if you get a email on Friday or Saturday this week that says, hey, you're missing this assignment from week 2 Tuesday, go to week 2 and you'll find the assignment listed here. This will be a really easy way to take care of all of those assignments. This is all the stuff that we did during the school year while we were in class, so don't worry about that if it says old. But these weeks are all the assignments that you should have done so far. So come in and make sure that you have them all turned in. The only ones that might not be turned in are your grammar pages if you did them on Pearson Realize. If you did them on Pearson Realize, I have them. Don't worry about it. These ongoing assignments are ones that you'll need every week, so I've listed them here. I think that's all I have for you today. I'm really looking forward to seeing you in Hangouts. We will watch those how-to presentations and then we'll brainstorm. And then I'll help with any homework questions that you have. So have an awesome day. We'll hopefully see you here soon. Bye.